Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to use Ableton Live 12. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your music production skills, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you master the essentials and unlock the full creative power of Ableton. First is download the Ableton Live 12. After downloading, here is the look of the Ableton Live. On the upper right corner you can see those bars. One is for session view and one for arrangement view. How to understand those two: session mode is like a grid or a clip launcher, each column be a track like audio, MIDI, or return. Each row is a scene, a group of clips that can launch together. If you want to record an audio, you can go to arrangement view. For example, your mic is in the audio. If you want to arm it, just press the circle button and then choose your input, then hit record on top. For MIDI devices, it's the same, just like audio. In arrangement view, you can use the draw tool to automate parameters like volume, pan, effects, and then click and drag to edit, stretch, split, and rearrange. Next is wrapping and time stretching. You can take any audio clip, vocals, drums, loops, and lock them for your project. Tempo: click on a clip enable to wrap, and then you'll see transient markers. Next is the build an instrument and tracks. Live 12 have massive of library like wavetables, drum rack, operator, sampler, and slicing and managing audio. As you can see in the left sidebar, you can see all of it: sounds, drums, instrument, audio effects, MIDI. All of it in one place. Next is Max for Live, lets you build custom synths, effect, modulators, and even visuals. Next is mixing and mastering. Ableton Live is great for finishing. You can arrange your mixing by adding some EQs, compressors, any plugins can use in Ableton. And for the last part is troubleshooting and performance tips. You can use ASIO or Car Audio Drive for the best performance. And that wraps up the full guide to Ableton Live 12. From starting your first project to mastering advanced tools, you now have everything you need to create, mix, and produce like a pro.